welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for all your comments, and I'm very happy you guys are following my videos. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to do your ombre lipstick. I'm gonna be using a couple of products. Mostly they're drugstore products. So if you guys are excited about this look, please keep watching.
So first guys, I'm gonna start by exfoliating my lips. I'm using brown sugar and a moisturizer cream. You can use any moisturizer for these. And a toothbrush as well. Next, you wanna grab your toothbrush and mix your product. And brush your lips in circular motions. I feel that this is a very important step to get an even surface when applying your lipstick. You don't want your lips to look cracked or crusty. You want an even and soft look. And you want to clean the product with a cleansing pad or any tissue is fine. I will be using a lip liner by Essence in Cute Pink, number 7. Make sure you sharpen the pencil to create a more defined line. Then I'm going to start in the lower lip line, applying it using light but short strokes. Here, I'm following my own lip shape, starting from the outer corner and moving into the center. Try resting your thumb on your chin for a more established look. Then, I want to move to my upper lip, creating the same effect, starting from the corners, going into the middle. Next, I'm going to be using Tropic Coral number 11 by Arden. And it will only be applying it along the lip line and leaving space in the center of my lip to add another lipstick shade later on. Great! Now, I'm gonna be using my Katy Kat Matte. This is in Pink Paws by CoverGirl. And applying the color only on the center of your lips. Then blot your lips. And using a round diffuser brush, you want to blend the previous coral lipstick with the Pink Paws by CoverGirl. Start by blending from the lip line to the middle. This will mix all the shades and give you that desired ombre look. And to add some shine to those fuller looking lips, I'm using Power Oils Lip Gloss by Vasanti in BFF, only on the middle of my lips. Then blot your lips. And last but not least, I will be using my MAC Primer Kit, using a shade that matches your foundation and a lip line brush. You want to clean up any excess lipstick, so run the brush with the primer along the edge of the lipstick. And you want to blend that with a beauty blender. Make sure the beauty blender is slightly wet. And what we're trying to do here is to mix it with your foundation, just so it looks very natural.
Thank you guys so much for watching my tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you learned so much from this tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'm so excited to do more videos for you guys. Thank you so much guys.